So hello guys and welcome to this video, and today's video is on a brand new crypto project called Doc. So before I get into this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button, leave a like, to mean the absolute world, and yeah, let's get into this really cool project. So this is the Doc website, and Doc is basically this. So let's read through what Doc is. Doc was founded with a mission to solve universal problems with existing data solutions, data silos and gatekeepers, untrusted and inaccurate information, incompatibilities across platforms, inefficiencies with verifying data, and lack of control and privacy for users. In today's world, accurate and individually owned data is more important than ever. Our ability to navigate through society depends heavily on being able to accurately capture and prove various pieces of information that represent who we are and our accomplishments. These pieces of information can be anything from a passport proving our identity and citizenship. Doc is open and permissionless across our technology, network and governance. By enabling any organisation or developer to issue via Doc, we can work together across markets and industries to unlock a better future world powered by secure, individually owned, verifiable credentials. So it almost sounds like they will do the job of almost like holding your passport, basically just giving you identification through this platform. So there is Doc Association, so it's a Swiss non-profit association dedicated to overseeing the network's roadmap, establishing and providing ongoing governance, overseeing the promotion of the network, and is also driving its adoption. Then there's Doc Labs, the team behind Doc, working on developing the network and driving marketing, business development and operation to fill Doc's vision, and we are a fully distributed team and all our work is an open source. So meet the team. So this is the team right here. This is really good we're seeing this, guys, because it's showing full transparency that they're happy to show you their face, meaning that it isn't a scam. It's actually an accurate and legit company showing their faces, even their LinkedIn and their Twitters. This is really good to see, and it just shows that they are confident in sharing what they're working on. So this is the investors. There's quite a few, and they're also in hiring as well. So if you guys want a job, definitely head over if you guys want to head over. So let's get the free API access. So now that I have my API thing, I can then now link different things to my API console. So let's head over to what the website is. So simplicity, a complete solution to build, manage and present credentials. So basically it holds your certificates and you can literally show and share to people to show who you really are. It's really good and easy way, all in one little console. So interoperability, built to work seamlessly across platforms. So Doc incorporates standards from the industry leading World Wide Web consortium and standards facilitating interoperability with other open source technologies. Secure forever as well. API documentation, as we see here. And what will you build? Healthcare, to see how Doc can be used to streamline healthcare credential verification and monitoring, supply chain, finance and workforce. So you can get the latest news by subscribing as well in the top corner. So this is how the staking works for Doc. So yes guys, you can stake and basically earn commission from each stake you do. So you can add a network, add your staking bit here, add the explorer, you can fill by names. So how to stake on Doc. So token holders play an important role in the Doc network by selecting validators to run and secure the Doc network, and as a result are eligible to receive token rewards. Follow the steps below to participate as a staker on Doc. If you have not yet created accounts for staking, you'll need to do so by following the steps in the account setup article. You guys can also read this yourself, links will be down below in the description. So yeah, head over to Doc. So bond your tokens. So you head over to the Doc.js app, navigate to the staking tab, action accounts and click on nominator. You'll see a modal window to add your information for staking. Select the accounts that you would like to stake as your stash and controller accounts, as well as the amount of tokens stash you would like to bond. Enter the amount of Doc tokens that you would like to bond / stake, selecting an amount that is less than the total amount of Doc you have. By the way guys, a Doc is 11 cents at the moment. It has a lot of movement at the moment. If we have a look at the price, slowly load, no wait for it to load. It isn't at its all-time high right now. There's still plenty of room right now. It is fairly high, it's 11 cents, but the highest it did reach was back in April of 16 cents a coin. So definitely guys, you guys should head over to this because you guys can make some nice profit. The market cap is only 75 million, so it's still very, very low. But if we head straight back over to here, so selecting your validators, so you're now bonded, which means your tokens are locked and could be slashed if the validators you stake misbehave. Be careful about the validators you choose, since you'll be slashed if your validator commits an offence. Click on nominate on an account you're bonded with, and you're presented with another pop-up asking to select up to 16 validators. Although you may choose up to 16 validators, due to the Pragum election algorithm, your stake may be dispersed in different proportions to any subset or all of the validators you choose. And you can stop staking as well. So if you decide to stop staking one or more validators, you need to unbond your tokens. You may need to do this if, for example, you want to change which validators you are staking, or if you want to withdraw your tokens. So if we head over to here are the different validators right here. So a lot of you guys can be asking, how do I stake? So this is how to stake. So make sure you're on network and on the staking section, then go to account actions, then go set up to the nominator. So once you have chosen your stash account and your controller account, you then see your balance in the side. I've typed in 90 here. This is how much I'll be staking. So I've chose 7 days of the 90 stake. So I'm staking my 90 right there. Press next, and this is where you set up your nominator. So you can pick different candidate accounts, and you should trust your nominations to act competently and honest. Basing your decision purely on their current profitability could lead to reduced profits or even loss of funds. So guys, what you can do is you can type in maybe doc or whatever you want to do. Type in the ones you want to choose, the ones that you basically trust but you want to bond and nominate. So here are the doc ones right here. So choose this one, and this one. So there you go, there's my 3 there. Press bond and nominate. And once that is pressed, I can then unlock my account, my password, and basically this will authorize the transaction, basically allow the stake to happen. So once I put my password in, I can then press unlock and then copy, and then boom, sign and submit, and there you go. That is my stash done. So here we see my transaction right there. So I've staked 90 doc, and it's just waiting on the nominations. So that will be staked for 7 days. So yeah, fairly easy, guys. It's really good. So I can also stop it right here by pressing that button, and there'll be a bit of a fee. So there you go, I've just cancelled it right there, and all done. So the DOC utility token plays a key role in aligning incentives across all of the DOC's networks participants, including issuers, validators, token holders, and the DOC association, and ensures collaboration and growth. The DOC token provides 3 main utilities in the network: transaction on the DOC blockchain, so any rights operation completed on chain requires tokens. The amount of tokens varies depending on the resource consumption of that operation, including its size, disk usage, and CPU usage. All operations pay a minimum fee called the base fee. Examples of these transactions include DIDs, so decentralized identities, so creating DIDs requires tokens. Adding keys to DIDs requires tokens. There are different kinds of keys, including those for different variations of anonymous credentials, and also keys utilizing different schemes. Updating keys for DID requires tokens, so revocation registries. Creating a new revocation registry requires tokens. The number of tokens will vary depending on the type of registry and the policy, i.e. how many DIDs control it and how many can revoke the registry. Revoking credentials requires tokens. The number of tokens will vary depending on the number of credentials being revoked and the type and policy of the registry. Schema. Creating schema requires tokens with the amount depending on schema size. Schemas describe the structure of credentials, e.g. a driver's license credential should have 10 fields including the licensee's name and address. Schemas are shareable among issuers as they do not contain any cryptographic material and thus are created less frequently. Validating and staking. The DOC token provides emission rewards to validators who support the infrastructure of the network and process transactions. Emission rewards are paid to validators as compensation for their services. In addition, the DOC token is also used to determine validators to become a validator in the POS network. The candidate needs to lock tokens / stake, and you can also invite other token holders to lock tokens on their behalf. The network selects validators based on the stake behind them. And governance. So the DOC token also plays an important role in ensuring token holders participate in the governance of the network. Major changes to the network are decided by the token holders voting on proposals, and the value of each token holders' votes depends on the number of locked tokens and lock duration. This looks really cool, and I do feel that this could really go into really good places. I'm fairly bullish because it does look very high tech, and I can see a lot of people using this in the future once people do find out about this, because money can be made and it's still fairly cheap, and it looks like a very good team is working on this product. It looks really coolly done. They've also just partnered with Xterfi, so it's getting bigger and bigger, and more companies obviously working together. So this is really cool. I'm super bullish. It's still very early on. So if we have a quick run through the roadmap, so Q2 the Not Hill testnet, Q2 schema, Q2 improbability, Q2 new doc non-profit, Q3 the validator test network, Q3 is the mainnet release, and Q4 security audit complete, which is really important because it then shows that it has been proved that it is legit. Q4 claim deduction, Q4 enhanced on-chain governance POA 2, Q4 token migration to doc mainnet commences, anchoring, and that's the first year. So these, what I've just read, have all been done already. So smart contract deployment as well, token migration to doc mainnet ends, Chainlink Oracle integration, delegatable credentials, doc wallet, verifiable credentials API, and proof of stake. And these are the ones that have been done already. So I've done quite a lot of the list already. But for the future, so Q3 2021 exchange-based staking, Q3 a ledger wallet support, which is really good, Q3 integrate blind signature scheme, which is actually really good. Q3 doc mobile wallet app, which is going to be very big. This will definitely help the price go up and people will definitely jump on this very quickly. Q4 a doc mobile wallet app version 0.2 and a doc server Q4. So they're going to be very busy this year, but it's really good, and they're definitely going to work on a lot of new things that are definitely going to help this company go. Their Twitter has over 53,000 followers already, and they're very active. So yes, this is getting very popular, and people will definitely put their digital credentials on this website, and I probably will as well. So their Telegram has over 9,255 members, so definitely head over to this. So the really good thing is that DOC is also being traded on different exchanges such as the Binance, Huobi, KuCoin, and there's quite a few different ones. This is really good to see, because obviously a lot more different exchanges will basically helping DOC get bigger and bigger, and once more and more exchanges then list DOC, this will be such a big project. So yes, this is very good. This is the DOC website, doc.io. Head over to their project. It's really cool, and if you guys want to put your credentials on this console, I definitely think this is a really good idea, and I have not seen anyone do this before. So this is DOC. Head over to guys to their website, links will be down below in the description. They're currently sitting at 11 cents a coin, and I reckon they're going to get bigger and bigger. So yeah guys, I hope you liked this video. This is DOC. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, leave a like, and yeah, peace out people. See ya, bye.